Let's dive into 6 breeds. First, the French Bulldog, known for their bat ears and playful spirit, perfect for apartments. Next, the Pomeranian, fluffy, feisty, and full of charm. Third, the Dachshund. With their long bodies and short legs, they're as quirky as they come, and loyal to the core. Fourth, the Cavalier King Charles Spaniel, gentle, affectionate, and always ready for a cuddle. They're the ultimate lap dogs. Fifth, the Chihuahua. Don't let the size fool you. They're brave little warriors with a lot of love to give. Finally, the Shih Tzu. Regal and adorable, these dogs have a history as royal lap warmers. Talk about fancy. So which of these cuties will steal your heart? Comment below. Brought to you by DetroitDogNanny.com, the leader in small dog boarding and daycare, located in Detroit, Michigan, 48235 metropolitan area and all surrounding cities. Mention this video and receive 20% off service fee. Visit DetroitDogNanny.com.